Hi, very good morning, everyone. I hope everyone are safe. That's right. Yeah, everyone should be safe because Corona is spreading everywhere. So that's the reason we have to stay at home. If you want to play, play at home only. Don't go outside. Don't go anywhere. Okay. There is only the one solution to avoid Corona. Stay home. Okay. Now that's the reason. No school, nothing. I think you will be very happy. But no, children, you have to spend at least half an hour daily with your studies. Otherwise, you'll forget everything. Okay? Daily, you have to spend at least half an hour with your studies. That is enough. Writing, reading, everything you have to finish on daily basis. From today onwards, we'll give you the homeworks, classwork, everything, and management will send you the link. You just download the app. My class, my campus folder, something is there. I'll share you through WhatsApp. You just download the app through Play Store, and management will send you the link. Go, you just use that link and open that link. You'll get the videos. Okay, children. Okay, before start, from today onwards, I'm going to start the UKG classes. Okay, fine. Before start the class, we'll just do some prayer. Okay, everyone close your eyes. Say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Very good. Open your eyes, sit properly. Okay. Posture is also, if you sit like this, means what will happen? Huh? you you'll get back pain. Later on you'll get back pain. That's the reason you have to sit like this. Okay? While writing time also, reading time also, you should sit like this. Not like this, not like this. Okay? And later on, when you become old, like 30 years, 35 years, you'll get back pain soon. That's the reason posture is also plays very important role in our life cycle. That's the reason it improves your memory power also. If you sit like this means you'll get good memory power. If you sit like this means what will happen? You'll forget everything. What you have to write, what you have to read, you'll forget everything. That's the reason sitting is also very important. Sit like this, everyone. Yeah, okay, fine. Posture. Good posture. This is a good posture. This is very bad posture. Okay, children? Fine. Sit properly. Okay, and while seeing this video, don't see here and there. Properly listen the audio and properly see the video. Okay, simply don't roam here and there, and simply don't see here and there. Okay, fine. Understood, right? Okay, children. From today onwards, I am taking UKG classes to you children. Okay. First, I just what we have studied in a previous class. Now you are in which standard? LKG? No. Now you are all in UKG. You are already promoted from LKG. Now you are in UKG. Correct? Yeah. So, before start the UKG lessons, today I just explain you what we have studied in a previous class, LKG. Okay? In a previous class, I taught you the capital letters. Say along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. You have to repeat along with me. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Correct? What is this? These are capital letters A to Z. These are capital letters A to Z. Again, once again we'll repeat. Okay, say along with me. A, B, C, D, E. Say loudly. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Right? Finished. A to Z capital letters. Finished. Yes. One more time, children. Now we'll say A for apple, B for ball. Like that, we'll finish. Okay? We'll say. Start. Start along with me. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for star, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Okay? Once again we'll say. Okay, start. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fan, G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for star, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Very good. Okay. Now, I'll ask some questions now. Can you recognize the letter? Can you recognize the letter? Yeah, I'll ask them. Okay, which letter is this? Anyone can say? Just answer yourself. Which letter is this? Yes, exactly. This is capital letter M. Okay, I'll ask some other letter. Okay. Which letter is this? Answer yourself. No issue. Yes, exactly. This is capital letter A. Very good. Next. Which letter is this? Yes, exactly. This is capital letter O. O for what? Not only orange, you can say other word also. O for ox. Ox. Yeah, you can say that one also. Then, which letter is this? Answer yourself. Yes, exactly. Capital letter J. Capital letter J. J for what? Jug. J for any other word? J for jelly. You know jelly, right? That is sweet chocolate. Yeah, J for jelly. J for jug. J for jamun. Right? The mummy will make you write jamuns so many times. It is very tasty, right? Yeah, jamun. Then before ball, not only ball, right? Say some other word. Before bat. Yes, exactly. Before bat. If you want to play bat ball means what you should want. Yes, exactly. If you want to cricket means you want ball and bat both, right? Before ball also we can say, before bat also we can say. Next, or for what? Or for rabbit. Or for one more. Or for rat. Exactly. Sorry, right? Exactly. Next, S for star. And one more. Say. Answer yourself. S for sun. Very good. S for one more soap. Soap also we can say soap. Okay, while taking bath, what will apply on your skin? Soap, right? Yeah. S for soap. Next. P for peacock. Parrot. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Very good, children. Next. T for what? T for tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Tiger is our national animal. T for tap. Mummy used to say off the tap, on the tap, wash your hands. Right? Yeah, T for tap. T for top. For playing bugri. Yeah, that is we called in English top. Tap means nalli. And one more, tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Very good, children. And one more, G. Say G for what? G for grapes. And one more, G for girl also we can say, right? And B for boy also, gender. Boy, girl. G for girl, B for boy. Okay. Then A for no. Only apple? No. We can say more words using A. Say A for arrow. Bow and arrow, you know, right? Yeah. A for arrow. And A for axe. We used to cut the trees. What we should have for cut the trees? That is not good habit. We should grow the plants. But sometimes for rain and all, if trees fall down means what will do? We should cut the trees in that time. In that time, for cut the trees, what we should want? We should want axe to cut the trees. A for axe. Okay. Then N for nose. This is sense organ. Nose. We can smell through our nose. N for nose. Right? Okay. Then N for nail. Always you should trim your nails. You should not supposed to grow your nails sharply. If you touch someone means they will get hurt. That's the reason always you should trim your nails, children. N for nail. N for nose. Okay. Then Q for quill. Quill, the bird's feather. Each feather we call it as quill. Okay. Next. Queen. Queen. Rani, queen. Then V for van. You can see in our school, right? Van, school van. Yellow color van. Have you seen? Yes. Say yes, ma'am. We have seen our school van. Yes, exactly. That is we called as van. And one more, V for vase. Vase means you just observe on the table. Mummy will keep the flowers using just one vase. Using just a supportive box, that is we called as vase. inside of that vase we can keep some flowers. Either it is plastic flower or real flower. We can keep. Okay. It looks very nicely. Okay. Our table looks very nicely. Was, V for was. Next, U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Why we'll use umbrella? In which season we'll use umbrella? Summer and rainy season. We should use umbrella to protect from sunlight, or else our skin will get tan. That's the reason we want umbrella. And in rainy season, we just protect from rain. Or if we get wet through rain, means what will happen? We'll get fever. That's the reason we should want umbrella. U for umbrella we want. Okay. Then Z for zebra. Zebra is a domestic animal or wild animal? Answer yourself. Think and answer. Yeah, Z for zebra. It is a wild animal. We can't see in our surrounding. It is in, you can see it in zoos or forest. Okay. If sometimes if you go to zoo, means you can see the zebra, or else if you go any forest, means you can see the zebra. But it is a it used to eat only grass and all, not non-vegetarian items. But it is a wild animal. It is comes along with the family of deer, elephant, like. It is also one type of wild animal, but it is not used to eat non-vegetarian. It is used to eat only vegetarian, like grass and all, etc. Okay, children, understood? Then these are capital letters A to Z. Capital A, capital B, capital letter C, capital letter D, capital letter E, capital letter F, capital letter G, capital letter H, capital letter I, capital letter J, capital letter K, capital letter L, capital letter M, capital letter N, capital letter O, capital letter P, capital letter Q, capital letter R, capital letter S, capital letter T, capital letter U, capital letter V, capital letter W, capital letter X, capital letter Y, capital letter Z. Understood? Okay, fine. Okay. You just take one rough note and write it down. Everyone. Good. I just rub this one. Children, I am going to rub this one now. The next, I am going to teach you the small letter A, B, C, D. Till now, what I have taught you? Capital letter A, B, C, D, right? Now, I am going to teach you small letter A, B, C, D. Small letters. Okay? Okay, say along with me, everyone. Small a, small b, small letter C, small letter D, small letter E, small letter F, small letter G, small letter H, small letter I, small letter J, small letter K, small letter L, small letter M, small letter N, small letter O, small letter P, small letter Q, small letter R. Say along with me, everyone. Small letter R, small letter S, small letter T. 1 second, children. Sorry for the disturbance. Small letter U. Say along with me. Small letter V. Small letter W. Small letter X. Small letter Y. Small letter Z. Say one more time everyone. Small letter A. Small letter B. Small letter C. Small letter D. Small letter E. Small letter F. Small letter G. Small letter H. Small letter I. Small letter J. Small letter K. Small letter L. Small letter M. Small letter N. Small letter O. Small letter P. Small letter Q. Small letter R. Small letter S. Small letter T. Small letter U. Small letter V. Small letter W. Small letter X. Small letter Y. Small letter Z. These are which letters? Exactly, small letters. Okay, these are small letters what I have taught you in a previous, that is capital letter. These are small letter. Okay, just copy from A to Z small letters. Just write down children. Take one rough note. Just copy fast. Fast. Finished? Already I have taught you in a previous class, means LKG. Already I have taught you. That's the reason A to Z I have written in a one time. Okay? Yeah, finished, right? Now I am going to erase this one. I think everyone finished A to Z. If you did not finish, means later on you can complete. No issue. Okay. Fine. Now I taught you already capital letters and small letters. Both we have finished. Now how we'll write both capital letters and small letters? What we'll call? For if we write both A and small a means, what we'll call for these letters? Exactly, combined letters. Combined letters. These letters we called as combined letters. Exactly, children. Capital letters and small letter. If we write both together means these letters we called as combined letters. Say once everyone. Combined letters. Combined letters. Now we'll write combined letters A to Z. Both capital letters and small letter. If we write together means that letters we called as combined letters. Okay? Say everyone. Combined letters. Combined letters. COMBINED. Combined. LETTERS. Letters. Combined letters. Okay? Everyone start writing along with me. While writing time, say and write, kids. Say along with me. Capital A. Small a. Capital A. Small a. Next. Capital B. Small b. Capital B. Small b. Next. Capital C. Small c. Capital C. Small c. Next. Capital D. Small d. Capital D. Small d. Next. Finished everyone? Okay. Till D. Have you finished? Okay, next write. Capital letter E, small letter E. Capital letter E, small letter E. Capital letter F, small letter F. Capital letter F, small letter F. Capital letter G, small letter G. Capital letter G, small letter G. Capital letter H, small letter H. Capital letter H, small letter H. H after what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H after S. Exactly. Very good. I. Capital letter I, small letter I. Capital letter I, small letter I. Capital letter J, small letter J. Capital letter J, small letter J. Capital letter K, small letter K. Capital letter K, small letter K. K after what? S. Exactly. L. Capital letter L, small letter L. Capital letter L, small letter L. L after? Yes, very good. M. Capital letter M, small letter M. Correct? M after? Capital letter N, small letter N. Very good. N after? M. N after? Very good. O. Capital letter O, small letter O. Capital letter O, small letter O. Capital letter P, small letter P. Capital letter P, small letter P. Next, M N O P after. Very good. Q. Capital letter Q. Write along with me, everyone. Capital letter Q, small letter Q. Very good. Q after R. Very good. Capital letter R, small letter R. Capital letter R, small letter R. Capital letter S, small letter S. Capital letter S, small letter S. Capital letter T, small letter T. S after what? Capital letter T, small letter T. Finished? Till T everyone finished? Okay. There is no enough space to write after T. That's the reason I am going to erase this combined letter A, B, C, D. Shall I erase, children? Yeah. Okay, continue. After T what? Q, R, S, T after? Exactly, U. Capital letter U, small letter U. Capital letter V, small letter V. Capital letter W, small letter W. Very good. U, V, W after what? S. Exactly. X. Capital letter X, small letter X. Capital letter Y, small letter Y. Everyone should write. I will tell to, for individual, I will tell to send the pics through WhatsApp. If you won't write means definitely I will come to your home along with my strict children. Okay, you should write. Say U, V, W, X, Y after what? The last one is Z. Very good. Capital letter Z, small letter Z. Capital letter Z, small letter Z. These are which letters? These are combined letters. Both capital and small letter, if we write together means these letters we called as combined letters. Combined letters. First we have studied about capital letters, then small letters. Then if we write together both capital and small means for both letters we called as combined letters. Combined letters. Why we called as combined letters for these letters? We are writing both capital letter and small letters together. That's the reason we are calling it has a combined letter, children. Understood? Combined letter, capital letters, and one more small letter. Understood, right? Okay, fine, children. This I have to wind up this session. In next class, I will teach you the continuation of the letters. Already I taught you capital letters, small letters, and combined letters. In next class, I am going to continue the letters in cursive letters. Say CURRSIVE, cursive letters. In this cursive letters also, in this cursive letter, under these cursive letters, both capital letters and small letters will come. In this cursive letter chapter, both capital and small letters will come. Okay, how? This is capital cursive letter A. This is capital small cursive letter A. This is capital cursive letter A, and this is small cursive letter A. In next class, I will teach you the capital cursive letter A and small cursive letter A till Z. Okay, children? Till Z, I will teach you in the next class. In previous class, I meant to say, in a previous class in LKG, I already taught small letter cursive A to Z. I already taught you. In the UKG, we learn about capital cursive A to Z. Okay. In next class, I will teach you the capital cursive letters and small cursive letters. Okay, children. Okay, I have to wind up this session. Bye. Stay home safe. Everyone stay home. Don't go outside. Okay, frequently wash your hands. Don't touch your nose and mouth, eyes and all. These are very sensitive organs. Okay, there is a chances to spreading corona, children. That's the reason I am telling you. Stay home, safe home. Bye, kids. Bye-bye.